Hey guys, this is Maria from showysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to enhance your Instagram stories video with InShot. If you are regularly using Instagram, then you have most likely noticed that it doesn't really let you edit your videos. You have no opportunity to shorten, crop, split them, add transitions and music. However, this is not about the InShot app. It is considered as a perfect choice when you want to edit your video and make it stand out from the crowd of other stories videos. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Firstly, go to Google Play Store. Find the InShot app and click to download it. Once it is installed into your phone, go and open it. Tap the video icon on the left. Select the video you would like to edit and hit the checkmark icon. Now you can edit your video in a way you like. Firstly, you can add a song or sound by clicking on the music icon. If you want to add a song, tap the tracks icon. Choose the song that you would like to use and click on it. After that, press on the Use button. Keep in mind that by tapping the Edit icon, you can select what part of the song you would like to use in your video. Change song's volume. Fade your song in or out. Secondly, you can insert stickers, write text, apply any filter or effect you like. Thirdly, you have an opportunity to trim your video and change its background. What is more, if you press on the speed icon, you will be able to slow down or speed up your video. Once your video is ready, tap the Save icon in the top right corner. Now click on the Instagram option and choose Stories. The only thing left to do is to upload your video, so hit the Send To button and share the video on your story. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to enhance your Instagram stories video with InShot. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at showysocial.com.